and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and I'm just popping on for a quick little video here to let you know that my Just Keep Sewing pattern is releasing today. This is so cute. It features this adorable little sewing machine. I did mine in aqua, but you could use whatever color you wanted. You could also do a darker background and then do a white machine if you preferred. I think that would be super cute as well. And then of course it says Quilt right here along the bottom. I do have 3 little spools of thread on top and then a cute little pin cushion right there in the middle. I haven't done it yet, but I think I'm going to embroider on some little pins on there because I think that would be really cute as well. So for this pattern, I used Bonnie and Camille fabrics. This is all from my scrap stash. The only fabric that you need a larger amount of is the sewing machine color. So in my case, the aqua, and then of course your background fabric. All the others you could probably get away with using all of your scraps because most of these pieces are pretty small. Now this quilt does finish at a decent size. It's 24 inches by 31 inches, so it's the perfect mini size for your sewing room. You can put it up in your sewing room and just have it be such a cute little wall decor. And it's all traditionally pieced, so there is nothing super hard or tricky. There are a few small pieces. So for example, on the spools here and on the little needle right there, those have a couple of smaller pieces on them, and honestly, they don't really have to line up with anything else, so it's not a huge deal. The spools kind of line up with each other, so maybe you would use a little bit of Mary Ellen's Best Press before you cut out your pieces so they don't get like wonky, but otherwise it's actually really easy sewing and it's such a fun project to put together. I did a standard meandering kind of quilt pattern on this, and I'm trying to be better about trying different techniques for my free motion quilting. This one is kind of my go-to. So the different on this one is that I'm trying to do smaller, tighter quilting, because usually I do sort of big swooping overall patterns, partially because I'm in a hurry, also partially because I kind of like that. The tighter quilting, you know, makes it a little bit more dense, but for a wall hanging, it doesn't really matter. And so I thought it would be fun to try something new like that. So that's what I did for this one. The backing on this one is a Bonnie and Camille print. This is from their Shine On line, and then the binding for it is from their One Fine Day line. And I just thought it all came together so cute. And I did remember to put a little tag on the back. This one is from my Stitch Supply Co. Advent calendar. So this pattern, like I said, is available now. I will put a link below on where you can get it. You can also go to shop.confessionsofahomeschooler.com, and in the search bar, just type Just Keep Sewing and it should pop up for you. So that's my new release for March. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them below. I was almost thinking about doing a Just Keep Sewing 2, and instead of writing quilts on the bottom, I could write sew for some of you who aren't maybe quilters. So leave that in the comments below if you'd like to see that rendition, and maybe I'll put up an alternate version of it for those of you who are sewing other things. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for joining me. If you liked it, please thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope you guys love this Just Keep Sewing mini quilt.